Hi, I'm Laurel Guy, and today we're visiting a wonderful investment property in the west end of Ithaca. This is 110 112 South Plain Street. It's an apartment building with 6 spacious one-bedroom apartments with high ceilings, separate utilities, and you can walk everywhere. This well-maintained, distinctive apartment building is in the heart of the West End neighborhood, just around the corner from the Kitchen Theater, the State Diner, Gimme Coffee, Liquid State, Westies, the Rook, Washington Park, and so much more. And it's an easy walk to the Ithaca Commons. The floor plans for each apartment are identical, and the completely renovated owner's apartment shows off the potential for this spacious, open layout. There's 9-foot ceilings, an office area, a beautifully updated kitchen with stainless appliances, butcher block counters, glass subway tile, and a breakfast bar. Mini split heating and cooling in the owner's apartment, electric heat in the other 5 apartments. Has a small, low-maintenance yard, plenty of on-street parking, and income potential. 110 112 South Plain Street is your opportunity.